These videos were originally intended for my own amazing grandkids, Maya, Jacob, Zachary, Amelia and Inika. But we thought, having made them, why not let everybody play? April 2020, all of our lives have been turned upside down with this coronavirus. So we've been looking for things to amuse ourselves at DIY Doctor. And our sister building company Foundations Up, we just need to have some fun during the day. And so we thought we'd try a few science experiments. Then we kind of figured you might get something out of them as well. So this is for all the people stuck indoors that have got a few of these bits and pieces. I had no idea how much stuff scientists need. But we hope you have fun with it, and we're going to be making some cool stuff. Okay, so for our first experiment at home, you're going to need a roll of roofing felt, a little drill, a gallon of creosote and a chop saw. Not really. Welcome to DIY Doctor Science Experiments. This isn't so much an experiment as a game. Okay, it's a great game. You can play it on your own or with your brothers or sisters or your friends. It's really good fun. All you need is a balloon, a ball of string and a paper straw. We're going to thread the string into the balloon, into the straw. If you run into trouble, ask an adult for help. So we should be able to push the string through the straw, okay? And we're going to leave that just as it is for a moment, and then we're going to blow up our balloon. Doesn't have to be fully inflated. Leave yourself enough neck to tie a knot in the balloon. This is always the tricky bit, isn't it? I get into so much trouble. I never get my fingers out again. There we go. So, we're going to do that. And then, in a moment, we are going to tape the balloon to the straw. And you'll see that we've done that on one that we prepared earlier. We're going to tie one end of this string to a door handle, or something like a door handle, a stair banister or something. And the other end we're going to tie to a ferret. No, probably not a ferret. Probably not a good idea. Somewhere else we're going to tie the string together. Now if we zoom round to my left, your right, you'll see that we made one earlier. Let me get over there and have a look. Okay, so here's the straw. That's the straw, that's the string. You can see I've tied it to the handrail here and to one of the tool racks over there, and I've put a little bit of sellotape over the top of the straw so that it sticks the balloon. And here's the game. What you have to do now is race and get the balloon from that end to that end, and all you're allowed to do is to blow it. Who's got the most puff? I haven't got a lot. Enjoy the game.